This is our poem of our favorite rights, taken from the list of 42. The ones we chose, we feel are watertight, but we know the others are important too. Starting with the right to speak and say, to be listened and heard in every way, at school and at home, we have a voice. It's our right to be heeded, to have a choice. During the summer, our health is protected. The government is there so we're not neglected. During the summer, when everything's bright, children with disabilities also have rights to independence and a full of decent life away from troubles and social strife. And when we return, refreshed in September, with our right to an education, remember the rights of the child, all 42, the job is to look after me and you.